Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and to the 296th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. Are you a fan of pound cake and cookies? Why not combine them together and make pound cake cookies? So that's what I'm going to make. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make glazed key lime pound cake cookies. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so soft and chewy, full of key lime goodness. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And these cookies taste just like pound cake. These would be great to serve for your Labor Day BBQ. Everybody would go crazy over these cookies. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cookies recipe playlist for more cookie recipes. So grab your key limes, your butter, and your flour sugar, because we're about to bake some key lime pound cake cookie magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 2 cups of self-rising flour, and we're going to add in the zest of a large lime. We're going to whisk that together, and we're going to set this aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 stick, which is 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter softened, and 3 tablespoons of butter flavor shortening. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of white sugar. And we're going to cream this until it's fluffy. Alright my friends. Next we're going to add in 2 jumbo eggs at room temperature, 1 at a time. Beating after each addition. Blend this in real good. Now we're going to add in the juice of a large lime, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure lime extract. Going to blend this together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing the wet ingredients. So next, we're going to add in the dry ingredients. And 1/3 cup of whole milk. And stir all this together until it's nice and well combined. And the dough will be sticky. You want it to be the consistency of cake batter. I love the smell of lime. Lime is one of my favorite citrus fruits. Smells wonderful. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring the cookie dough, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up the cookie dough, and I cover it in plastic wrap. So now we're going to place it in the refrigerator, and we're going to let it chill until it's firm for about 1 hour. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, the cookie dough is nice and chilled. So using my spoon, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of the dough onto my 9x13-inch long cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. I'm going to put them about 2 inches apart. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 8 to 12 minutes until they're golden brown. Be careful not to over bake them. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my pound cake cookies out of the oven. See how Nice and golden brown they look. All right, so now we're gonna let them cool completely, and while it's cooling, we can get started on our key lime glaze. All right, my friends, to make the lime glaze, in my bowl, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar that's sifted, and we're gonna add the 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice, and all we do is whisk together until it's nice and well combined. All right, my friends, our glaze is finished. Now we're ready to brush them on the cookies. All right, my friends, now it's time to give our pound cake some sugar. Have my glaze here. We're just gonna brush them right on top of the cookies. These look so good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish glazing the cookies, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through glazing the cookies. So now it's time for the final step. I have some lime zest here. We're just gonna sprinkle them right on top, like so. All right, my friends, there you have it. Glazed key lime pound cake cookies. Don't that look gorgeous? All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. I want to show y'all the texture. Look at that, nice and soft and cakey. All right, here we go. OMG. So light and airy. This reminds me of eating a pound cake. These are incredible, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. And that key lime glaze is divine. Yum-o. Key lime pound cake cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, and I want to wish all you a happy Labor Day.